Introducing the Huawei Pura 80 Pro, where innovation, elegance, and photography excellence meet in a single device. Designed to push boundaries in every aspect, the Pura 80 Pro continues Huawei's legacy of blending powerful performance with artistry and next-gen technology. It begins with the stunning 6.7-inch OLED display that supports a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, offering ultra-fluid scrolling and responsiveness. With its 1.5K resolution, visuals are exceptionally crisp, vivid, and immersive, perfect for everything from high-definition video playback to mobile gaming. The color depth and contrast are meticulously tuned to create a cinematic viewing experience right in the palm of your hand. At the heart of this device is Huawei's own Kirin 9020 processor, crafted on a 7nm architecture, delivering impressive efficiency and performance with advanced AI processing capabilities. This chip empowers smarter interactions throughout the system, from camera enhancements and intelligent battery management to smoother multitasking and real-time voice translation. Despite not relying on Qualcomm or MediaTek, the Kirin 9020 proves that Huawei is capable of going toe-to-toe with the biggest names in silicon technology. Where the Pura 80 Pro truly shines is in its photography system. Huawei has engineered a quad-lens setup, headlined by a 50MP main camera featuring a variable aperture, a rare innovation that adjusts the aperture size automatically depending on the lighting and scene, just like a DSLR. This results in extraordinary low-light performance and stunningly detailed shots in all environments. Accompanying this is a 50MP periscope telephoto lens that allows for high-quality zoom shots without sacrificing clarity, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens to capture more expansive, dramatic perspectives. But it doesn't end there. Huawei has added a 2MP color temperature sensor to ensure accurate skin tones, improved white balance, and true-to-life colors in every photograph. Whether you're capturing portraits, cityscapes, or close-ups, the Pura 80 Pro is engineered for serious mobile photography. The battery performance is equally impressive, boasting a robust 5000 mAh battery that easily supports a full day of intensive use. And when you do need to recharge, Huawei's ultra-fast 88W wired charging ensures you're back to 100% in just minutes, not hours. Whether you're a content creator, professional on the go, or a tech enthusiast, this fast charging capability keeps you moving without interruption. In terms of design, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro is sleek, modern, and built with premium materials. Its refined finish, curved edges, and minimalist camera module make it as stylish as it is powerful. And with an IP68 rating, it's built to withstand dust, water splashes, and even submersion, making it a reliable companion for all environments. The phone feels great in hand, both solid and lightweight, combining function with elegance. On the software side, the device runs on Huawei's latest HarmonyOS 5.0, bringing an entirely new level of ecosystem synergy and AI integration. The user interface is smooth, intelligent, and personalized. HarmonyOS offers seamless device interconnectivity between your Huawei phone, tablet, watch, and smart home devices, all while enhancing everyday tasks with AI-powered features like smart gallery search, real-time language translation, ultra-efficient resource allocation, and intelligent assistant suggestions based on user behavior. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a statement of innovation, photography mastery, and software brilliance. From its groundbreaking camera system and lightning-fast performance to its sleek design and AI-powered ecosystem, this device redefines what you can expect from a flagship phone. Whether you're upgrading for productivity, creativity, or cutting-edge features, the Huawei Pura 80 Pro is designed to elevate your smartphone experience in every way possible.